I think to get the most out of this course, you really need to, commit to it. You need to put the hours in, both, in the class obviously, but at home too.
Prepare yourself before the course. There is material to go through and there is things to do before the course. You will be playing a bit of catch up in the beginning, so it's always good to have yourself really prepared and really ready.
Take the time that you have within the Code Institute and use the resources that are available to you. Really test yourself and push the boundaries of what you think you're capable of, because you have that support network of people around you to help you along the way.
Make sure you stay organised with the information that you're receiving and the things that you're learning, and make sure that there's nothing kind of like hazy, especially at the start of the course or at the start of any module, because it's quite important to know the basics.
If you're doing it online, just put your questions on a piece of paper and have them ready when you have the session with a mentor. For the full time, just ask all the questions that you have and you will get the help that you need.
You need to push yourself because there is that room to do that. And if you want to really get into it, then you need to put the time in.
My tips for creating an eye-catching project would be keep it simple. Yes, you're learning a lot of cool technologies and you have the ability to create lots and lots of complicated things. Employers like to see nice, clean, simple things, so don't overcomplicate it.
It has to be a website that you would want to go visit and you'll be proud to call your own.
When you learn all about what's underneath, it's fine to use code that other people have written, because then you understand it.
Go on sites like awards.com or CodeDrops, because there's really great inspiration out there for really good design ideas, CSS tricks.
Maybe start off with some kind of framework like a Bootstrap template and work on from there. Don't try and reinvent the wheel. There's a lot of people out there that have already created really, really cool things.
Put more effort into how it looks really than you would think that you need to, because that is what's going to get you past that first impression that's so important if you're going for a job.
Yeah, tips for students that are looking for work: network the hell out of it. That's my main tip. Don't be afraid, talk to everyone, go to any of the meetups. Don't be intimidated by them, because they can be a little bit intimidating at the start.
Try and get your portfolio in a place where you're proud to present it and talk about it to employers, because I think at the end of the day that's one of the most valuable things that you can take into an interview. It's proof of the work that you can do and what you can achieve.
Go back to your project that you're proud of and make it even better, because when you're in your interview talking to somebody, you want to show your enthusiasm for what you did. And even if you've come across a problem in what you're doing, the fact that you're talking about trying to find a solution shows that you're really keen on the coding.
There are tons of tech jobs out there. Keep working on your projects while you're searching for these jobs, and make sure they are actually on your CV. Make sure there's a link to your GitHub, and make sure there's a link to my best work or my best creation, Show it off.